In this video, we're going to add music to our 4 shots. And we want to add a music that goes with the theme that's happening in the visuals. Music. Let's go to pixabay.com/music. I'm going to look up a chill, lo-fi, dark type of song. Now, I went through all of these and I found this one right here. This one's a really weird sounding song, and I want the weirdness to be at the end of the video to show the off-putting feeling of the person. So I'm going to download this. Now, these are royalty-free songs, but if you put credits in your short film, you want to credit the person that made the music. Let's take the song and put it inside our files. And let's put that MP3 inside of our timeline and then pull back Premiere Pro so we can see it. Let's drag this down underneath. Now, this is where it gets complicated because I want to get this part here where he's feeling a little uneasy to go with the music. So I got to find that part of the music that I want to go with this part. And that part starts around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the song this way and then pull that part to right about here where he starts getting that uneasy feeling, and then drag this back to the left. Get my cut tool and cut at the end here, get the move tool and delete the rest of the music. Now, if there's not much audio on these tracks, you can leave the audio, or you can select all the tracks, right click, unlink them, and then select the audio on those tracks and delete them. You could also bring the music track up then, and then export the video. Go to export, and I'll leave the file name this way because I might need to export it again. But once I've exported it, and then once I have what I want, then I can rename it on my desktop. Let's export it. Here it goes. All right, let's minimize the software, and here's our video right here. Let's watch it.